How to search for nearby places on Instagram, quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to find nearby places such as restaurants, cafes, sites, bars and more on Instagram. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Instagram app on your mobile phone, and this is where you will get. You can open it up on your iOS or Android phone, and this is what it will look like. So first, what you guys need to do is you will go to the Explore section of Instagram. In Explore, we have our own search bar. So you will go to the search bar, and in our search bar, you can see we have options of top, account, audio, tags, and places right here beneath our search bar. So I'm going to first of all switch to places, and now it will give me the results according to places. So we have nearby places right here, the first option you will get. Click on nearby places and it will show you all of the nearby restaurants, bars and hotels that you can find. Or what you can do is you can also enter a location in the search bar to kind of like explore where you are going. If you want to know what are the famous restaurants there, what are the sites where you can take Instagram photos, then you can search on Instagram. So I'm going to click on nearby places and it will open up the map for me on Instagram. So we have to click on search this area, and there you go, popular nearby. So we have different places, we have restaurants and cafes, sites. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for cafes, and there you go, I have the famous cafes near me. And this is how you can go ahead and find nearby places on Instagram. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.